Complete winner list of Filmfare Awards OTT 2020. The first ever Filmfare Awards for OTT platforms were given out recently, and many good series have bagged the prestigious award. Let us have a look at the complete winner list of Filmfare OTT Awards 2020. Best Series. The People's Choice Award was given to none other than one of the most acclaimed series, Paatal Lok. Best Series Critics. The Critics' Choice Award for the Best Series went to the amazing web series of Amazon Prime, The Family Man. Best Comedy Series. Panchayat won the Filmfare Award for being the best comedy series in 2020. Best Film Web Original. Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte's movie Raat Akeli Hai won the Black Lady for being the best web original film. Best Director of Series. This People's Choice Award under the category of Best Director of a Series got won by Avinash Arun and Prosij Roy for Paatal Lok. Best Director of a Series Critics. The Critics Award for the Best Director was won by none other than Krishna DK and Raj Nidimoru for The Family Man. Best Actor in Drama Series. Jaideep Ahlawat won the Best Actor in a Drama Series award for his amazing performance in Paatal Lok. Best Actor in Drama Series Critics. Manoj Bajpayee bagged this award for the drama series The Family Man, in which performance was truly spectacular. Best Actress in Drama Series. Bollywood actress Shushmita Sen bagged the Best Actress in Drama Series award with her debut series Arya. Best Actress in Drama Series Critics. It is Priya Mani who got the Critics' Choice Award in the Best Actress in a Drama Series category for The Family Man. Best Actor in Comedy Series. Jitendra Kumar bagged the award of Best in a Comedy Series for his amazing performance in Amazon Prime series Panchayat. Best Actress in Comedy Series. Mithila Palkar won the award of Best Actress in a Comedy Series for her performance in the third season of Little Things. Best Actor in Supporting Role in Drama Series. Popular actor of Bollywood Amit Saad won this prestigious award for his performance in Breathe Into the Shadows. Best Actress in a Supporting Role in Drama Series. Divya Dutt took home the Black Lady for her performance in Special Ops. Best Actor in a Supporting Role in Comic Series. The award went into the hands of Raghubir Yadav for the popular comedy series Panchayat. Best Actress in Supporting Role in Comic Series. Neena Gupta bagged this award for her amazing performance in the series Panchayat. Best Non-Fictional Series. Times of Music have managed to win the Black Lady under the category of Best Non-Fictional Series. Have your favorite stars and shows won the award? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.